I'm Rachel, I create colourful paintings and I make tutorials so that you can learn how to paint them too. In today's video I'll show you how to paint this colourful wolf painting in acrylics. This is a shortened version of the video, but if you'd like to watch the full-length tutorial that is available on my Patreon, which is Rachel Froud Art. The full-length tutorial is in real time and it's just over 2 hours long. I show you exactly how to paint this moonlight wolf painting from start to finish in easy to follow step-by-step instructions. The link to this is in the description of this video. I started out by sketching the outline of the wolf onto my canvas. This way I know exactly what the final composition will be and I won't need to worry about it while I'm painting. I then started to paint the background a deep shade of blue so that it looks like the midnight sky. I created a gradient that gets lighter towards the right hand corner as that's where the moon is going to be. I used a combination of paintbrushes and sponges to create this effect. I think a blue colour palette works really well for this wolf painting as it's the main colour that comes to mind when I think of a wolf. I created a starry sky effect by splattering some blue and white paint onto the background using a paintbrush. I've created a video showing you exactly how to do this, which I'll link in the description for you. To paint the moon, I started out by using plain white paint to fill in the circle. I then added in shades of light and dark blue to add the texture and mimic the look of the craters. The gradient that we created in the background helps to give the effect of the moon glowing. This will be the light source for the painting and it will be lighting up the wolf's face in the finished piece. I continued to use a blue colour palette for the wolf's fur. Using blue instead of grey or brown helps to make the painting look really colourful, and if you've seen any of my other paintings then you'll know that I love to create really colourful animal paintings. I love to focus less on making the animals look realistic and more on making them colourful and vibrant, as I think this creates a really fun and interesting piece of art. Using a colourful colour palette also allows so much creative freedom, as you aren't locked into using specific colours. I love how creative you can be when creating a colourful piece of art. To paint the wolf's fur, I used a really easy technique that I explain in my How to Paint White Fur video, which I'll also link to in the description. It's a great way to give the effect of fur without having to paint each individual hair. I'll let you watch the rest of the process now. I hope you like this painting and I hope you enjoy creating your own version. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this.